reception class and welcome to Tuesday's phonics lesson. For today's phonics lesson, you will need the 3 sheets that you can see on the screen and you will need a pencil. So if you just want to pause me and get those things ready now, please. Right, we're going to start by warming up our brains ready for sound. So you will need your sound mat to help you if you want. So I am going to say one of the letter sounds that we have already learnt, and then I would like you to write it down for me, please, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So first, can you write for me qu, qu, qu? So you can pause me and write qu, please. And qu, qu, if you weren't sure, looks like this. Round, up, down, flick, down, curve up, down, flick. Next, can you write for me? If you're not quite sure, have a look on your sound mat and see if you can find it. Right, looks like this. Down, up, curve, down, flick, round, up, down, curve. So if you haven't done that, have a go now, please. Next up, can you write w, w, w? So you can pause me and write that now, please. W, w, looks like this. Down, up. That is a w, w. Next, can you write for me? A. So you can pause me and have a go at A. A looks like this. We go round, up, down, flick, dot at the top. That is our A sound. Next, can you write for me? Y. You can pause me, see if you can find it on your sound mat if you're not sure what it looks like. Y. Well done if you remembered. Y looks like this. Down, curve up, down, curve under. That's down, curve up, down, curve under. Y. Next, can you write for me? Z. You can pause me and see if you can find it on your sound mat and write it down. Z looks like this. Back, down and back. Well done if you got that. Then next one I would like you to do is sh. So pause me, see if you can find sh on your sound mat and have a go at writing it. Well done if you did. Sh. Looks like this. Curve, down, up, curve, down, flick. That's curve, down, up, curve, down, flick. Sh. Well done if you got that. Right, yesterday reception class, we learned a new letter sound. We learned a new digraph, and our digraph is on the screen now. Can you remember what sound these 2 letters make when they're together? That's right, it's the E sound, and our action is we pretend we've got ears like a donkey, and we say E. Can you say that with me? E. Well done, reception. Now, just to remind you, on the screen there are some different things with our E sound. We've got Jeep, tree, bee, sheep, feet, and queen and eel. They all have our E sound in. What I'd like you to do, reception, is just have a quick practice of writing our E sound. To write it, we go across, up and over, across, up and over. That is across, up and over, across, up and over. Just have a little go at that for me now, please. Right, our next little challenge for today is a writing challenge. So you have got this sheet in your pack, which has got pictures of different E words. And what you need to do is write what each thing is in the phoneme frame underneath. And each thing on your sheet has the E sound in. Okay, I'll do the first one and then you can have a go at the others. So our first one we've got on our sheet, what do we have? Yeah, we've got feet. So I'm going to say the word a few times. Feet, and try and listen to the sounds I can hear in the word. So I can hear feet. It has a f at the beginning. So I'm going to do that in this box. Eat. I can hear the E sound in the middle. So I'm going to do that in the next box. And just like we've talked about before, even though it's got two letters, because the two letters only make one sound, they just go in one box together. So feet. Oh, and it's got the t sound at the end, so that needs to go there. So I've got eat, feet. So your other words to have a try at are jeep, sheep, tree, queen, and cheek. Okay, so you can pause me and have a go at writing those now, please. And what you might like to do, reception, is just get your sound map that we used at the start of the lesson to help you. Then if you can't quite remember what one of the letter sounds looks like, try and find it on here, okay? So pause me and have a go at that writing challenge now for me, please. Right, reception, well done for having a go at that. I will just go through them now so you can check if you got yours right. So we've got eat, feet. Our next one is jeep, which is j. E, jeep. And then we've got sheep, which is sh. E, sheep. Then our next one is tree. E, tree. Then we've got queen, which starts with our qu sound that we learnt just before half term. Qu, e, n. And then last we've got cheek, which looks like this. Ch, e, k, cheek, cheek, cheek. Well done for having a go at those, reception. Right, I've got one last challenge for you. Right, reception, your last challenge for today is another writing challenge. I would like you to write a sentence to go with this picture. And what can we see in the picture? That's right, we've got sheep in a jeep. So that's what we're going to write. Sheep in a jeep. Sheep in a jeep. So we've got 4 words to write. Sheep in a jeep. Can you say it with me? Sheep in a jeep. And one more time so it's really in our heads. Sheep in a jeep. So pause me and have a go at that now, reception class. So a word on each line. Off you go. Right, now just go through it so you can check if you got yours right. So our first word is sheep. And I need to do a capital S because you do a capital letter at the start of a sentence. So I've got sh. E. So it's got our E sound that we are practicing in the middle. Sheep, sheep. I, n, in, a, jeep. We've got j, e, and what do we need to remember at the end of a sentence? That's right, we need a full stop. Well done, reception class. So just let's remind ourselves the sound that we have been practicing today. The digraph is E, E. Can you say that with me? E, E. Well done, reception class. That is our phonics lesson for today. Well done for working so hard. Give yourself a thumbs up and a pat on the back. And I'll see you for our phonics lesson tomorrow. Bye.